Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, ladies and gentlemen. It's Vida back again with another video. And today I'm going to talk about something that I think all of us need to let go at one point as soon as possible, or take some time. But the thing that I think we all have done before in our lives, and I'm guilty of it too, is if only and what if. If only you played basketball, you could have been playing college basketball. If only you played different sports, maybe you could have had a different journey. If only you focused more on education, you could have had this or that. All that nonsense that we all think about, honestly, you gotta throw it away. You gotta let it go because it's the right thing, and for you to look for new dreams. A perfect example was when I was chasing after becoming, let's just say baseball became a big part of my life, and I thought it was the only thing I needed. I was so consumed that it took me a while to let go, to see that I was just playing for fun. And playing it for fun made me really enjoy that game. And it came a point in time where it was time to let it go, because part of me wanted to do more. And if you're still going after that baseball, football dream, college dream, whatever, I highly recommend doing it no matter what. But it's okay in life to let go of things and not live with if only and what if. If only I was this and that. You're going to be doing that cycle over and over and over, and that's the last thing you want to do. So I'm telling you right now to please push yourself. See yourself that you could have more dreams. Sports is not the end. It's only the beginning. Working out never stops. So once you're done playing college football or high school baseball or wrestling, there's always Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, there's always MMA, there's always running, there's always weightlifting, there's powerlifting, there's a lot of things. And if you want to improve your education, you could go to college or seek out other people online. It never stops. You could always have a new dream. There's nothing wrong with that. But the thing is, don't keep yourself caged up for a long time with that what if or if only, because those things will stick with you till forever, to the point that you can't even enjoy your life. You have the option and you are in control to change it. It all starts with you. The what if thing really stays with you if you don't allow it to let it go. You have to let it go in order to proceed to where you want to go. I know it sounds harsh, but that's the reality of life. When things don't plan out, you just get up and try again and keep moving forward. Us as superhuman computers have the option to change and learn for the better. That is my goal, to help you understand, to grow and to learn, and to understand that you will only stop until you give up, and you can't give up. Even if it doesn't go as planned again, you know how to attack and move forward. So for now, let go of those words, what if and only. And this day forward, I highly and honorably say that all of you are allowed to have new dreams, and you're allowed to be who you are. So don't become your enemy, become your writer, become your warrior, become the person that wants to be alive, who wants to see what you can do, because the last thing you want to do is, when you are at the last moments of your breath, is that those words that I will not say. I want you to smile off into the last moments of your life, seeing that you did it. You learned, you failed, you messed up, you were so hard on yourself to the point that you didn't know, but you still kept going. That is what I want from you, from life, and from me too. So if anybody watches this message or watches the whole thing, you got this. Finish it, complete it, stroll with it, dance in the rain with the gods, whatever you believe in. You are the option to change. This is our moment. See you then.